What up, guys? So today I just received a box from Amazon, and this is an Nvidia what's it called? Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano from Amazon. Yep. So just gonna do an unboxing video here. And I think I ordered this on what day? What day was that? Uh, I can't find the day. When did I order this? December 30, and it arrived in Abuja 16. Not Abuja 16, I mean, it arrived at my place in Abuja on 16th of January, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to go straight to the unboxing. I'm sure you don't care about that part. So let's get into it. I'm just going to set this up. Yeah. So, nope, that's very dangerous, very, very dangerous. Don't try this at home, kids. All right, we're almost there. Should have just done this in the first place. Okay. Right. Look at what we got here. Here's what we got. So I've got what's it called? An NVMe. NVMe SSD. Right? Nice. And the main protagonist, the Jetson Orin Nano. Nice, looking nice. Eh? And there's a carton. No, don't need that. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Hey, hold on. This place is so dark. I need more light. Okay, so I think this is better. Even if my shadow is all over it. Let me see. Okay, good. And okay, look what we have here. Rolls. Jetson Orin Nano Europe. All right, let's do what we're here for. Okay. Sit down. Why am I even standing up? Okay. So, wait. What? How do I? Oh, there's something here. I need a knife again. This is what we have here. Right, this is simple. At least is that. Oof. Look at that. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. this one. We have the, what is this called? The plug, right? I think. And how do I open this other part? Yeesh. Oh, I don't need to open it? Okay. This part, this thing here, the part you connect to the switch. Pull this out. And why is it so hard to come out? How do I bring this out like so easily? I don't know. I have to bring it out forcefully. And this is another one as well. Right. I think I can use this one because this one is kind of hard to find here. Okay. So everything's out. And we have the main actor, the main protagonist is right here, the Nvidia Jetson Orin Nano. So this is going to be used for AI research and development, mostly deployment. Like after you've trained your AI models, then you deploy on this device. Small, not small large language. That doesn't sound right. Okay, large language models that are small. I think that's the right way to put it. So that is what we're going to use with this. We'll experiment and see what we can do with AI in Nigeria. All right. So that is it for the unboxing. And drop in the comments if you want to see how exactly. Oh no! I almost forgot this. Oh no! Oh, how would I forget this one? So this is the NVMe SSD that is going to be used with this. So for the the memory, right? So like a hard drive. So because I think this comes already with, I don't know how many gig, but we can always we can flash it to use this one, which is, I think this is 1 terabyte. As you can see here, it's one terabyte. So I prefer to use larger ones because I have a lot of space to do or to store a lot of AI models on it. Okay. Now we're gonna open this as well and see what is inside. Oh, that is beautiful. Wait, what? How do you open it? Okay, here we go. Right. This is what we have here. That's what we have here. Take a look. It's called Crucial. Micron Crucial P510, right? NVMe, that's what we have here. And so we're going to use this with the Orin Nano and come up with, a lot of research and some ideas of what we can do with this thing using AI, large language models, and probably vision language models as well. So if you want to see how I'm going to set this up, let me know in the comment section and I'll show you the process of how I'm going to set this up. And also, if you want to see what I use, what I do with this, or what I'm going to do, the research I'm doing, let me know in the comment section as well. So this is basically the AI thing, and hopefully I can start something up in Nigeria. I don't know, but let's see where this takes us. So so this is basically for having AI offline. You don't have to use internet, basically to have your own private AI, and more like it's best for privacy. So like it's not gonna leave, because I know in Nigeria they complain about data leaving the country. So this is basically like a solution to data that's gonna stay wherever you are, whatever you do. It's not gonna be on. It doesn't have to be on the internet. So your own AI, personal AI, is gonna be in this, right? It's gonna be in this, just like your own personal computer. You're gonna have your own AI in this, right? So I'm just gonna do some things, run some experiments, and hopefully show you guys what I'm doing, or what I'm gonna do, or when I'm done, what I've done. All right. So thanks for watching this long video, and I'll see you guys later.